Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Mercedes E550 W211 E-Class, and I'm going to be installing a carbon fiber diffuser. At the moment I have a custom quad exhaust system installed, and I'm going to be installing this diffuser to give it a much more aggressive look. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Inside the packaging, these diffusers usually just come alone. There's no hardware kit or any double-sided tape or nothing included, so it's usually just the piece itself. So I'm going to be showing you on how you can install it and keep it in place. The first thing you want to do is make sure your surface is completely clean, washed and dried. My car is really dirty right now, but I've cleaned the surface where I'm going to be installing the diffuser. Now just get the diffuser and align it with your bumper and your exhaust tips as shown here. Now to keep the diffuser in place, I'm going to be installing a few screws, and one tip is do not just install the screw by itself. First drill and make a hole, because if you try installing just the screw without making the hole, it's going to crack the bumper. So I've drilled a hole in the corner just like this, and I'm going to do that around the diffuser. I'm going to be installing a total of 6 screws, so I'm going to make 6 holes and install the 6 screws. To keep the diffuser secured and in place and close all the gaps, I've installed 6 screws. I just ended up using some normal hardwood screws, but you could change to flathead screws to give it a much more cleaner look, or you could just paint these normal screws black. But here are the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if this video has helped you out, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.